journey from their trucks. We've seen all the drivers either get out of their truck or put the window net down and move around. Ben Rhodes starting off the season with a win at Daytona. How about it for the 23-year-old from Louisville, Kentucky? Contributors in this series. What a joy it is to see their driver burn it down at Daytona for the second week in a row. And win number 39 for crew chief Eric Phillips, the winningest crew chief in series history, and John Hunter going to burn it down in celebration.
Get to celebrate with it in victory lane.
The Jason Leffler paint scheme, and Sheldon Creed.
And you take this man to victory lane. How do you describe what you guys were able to do tonight?
Ryan did an awesome job. You know, it's fun to come out here and do this. I'm learning trucks. You know, I've been cup racing since I moved down here.
How about that restart, John Hunter?
As we do all the races, but we got our heads down this week and talked about what we were missing, whether it's communication, restarts, just execute.
Do you now make him the favorite for the championship, or are you going to stick with John Hunter?
You know, I love a good battle. That's what I'm going to say. I think John Hunter's had a magnificent regular season. They had a tough break tonight, but Creed, it looks like the old Creed that we saw last year. So it's going to be a good battle all the way down to the end.
4 women have scored a top 10 in the Truck Series, and those 3 that did it previously did it at Daytona, all at Daytona. So it speaks to the performance and the capabilities of Haley Deegan to get a 7th place finish here tonight. Career win for Sheldon Creed. your mother,
My
Darryl?
brother, the Green brothers,
Yep.
both won the Xfinity Series championship. So it's cool to see Kentucky celebrating in Victory Lane in Arizona.
Taking all the tread off those tires, isn't he?
You can see the Goodyear rubber just being laid down there.
Those around Rhodes will tell you that the biggest change has come in his maturity level. He was early in his career kind of a bull in the china shop, rubbed his veteran teammates